Base is back with another Russell update for you guys. I mean, what can I say, guys? The Russell chart is holding up extremely well. It's doing fantastic, man. It's doing extremely fantastic, and you love to see that. Russell right now just under 1 cent, right? Just under 1 cent at $9.25 million in market cap. And what's great is that it's holding above that 7.5 mil market cap, right? If it wasn't holding above that 7.5 mil market cap, you'd probably see a retrace back down to 4 to 5 mil market cap, but it's holding above it. And it is, you know, like I said, it has been in this massive consolidation, accumulation range, right? And it's never broken out past this previous all-time high at 21 million market cap. It's never broken past that, right? It had surges along the way trying, but it has failed every time. But this time may be different. This time may be different, guys. This time may be different. There's a lot of FUD around it. There's a lot of FUD around the coin. I get that, right? I truly get it, because you know, there's other holders in the base ecosystem or just crypto Twitter in general that, you know, especially with this year, they don't trust anything, right? It's hard to trust any project, right? And, you know, I understand that, but the project has been out for a year. It has been out for a year. There's a CTO team, right? Some members that took over the project for a while that have just been continuously pushing the project. So I don't think, you know, this is a spot where like you're gonna be like, oh man, it's just gonna go to zero, right? If it was gonna go to zero, like I said in a previous video, it would have already done so and never had this momentum that it has right now, especially in market conditions that we have, right? In these market conditions, like, man, you can't explain how bad they are. You just can't explain it, right? You have to experience it to know, right? But Russell is showing strength in these market conditions, and that's a great sign. That's a great sign. That's a great sign that you should, you know, at least have some type of exposure, right? At least have some type of exposure, even if it's just 50,000 Russell tokens. You don't have to bet the bank on it, right? You don't have to go too crazy. $462, right? I think that's a nice bag to have, personally, because I think Russell potentially could go to 100 mil, 500 mil, if not 10 billion market cap, as long as we go into a bullish 2026, right? Could go to 1 billion to 10 billion. It got the Elon reply, the Elon interaction, Brian Armstrong interactions. And this is the thing, there's always a catalyst. Anytime Brian posts a picture of Russell, or posts, you know, pretty much posts a picture of Russell or shows up in a video with Russell, that's going to be a catalyst for Russell, right? That's going to be very bullish long term, right? Because it's always going to have that, you know, attention effect, right? And, you know, Elon replying as well is you know, something we don't see ever, right? So that alone, right, has kept me bullish on Russell here. And like I said, I talked about it at 3.5, 3.6 mil market cap. So if you got in, or you're getting in now, be sure, right? Because I think we're gonna move up to test the all-time high for sure. We're definitely gonna test the all-time high, right? So, you know, when we go back to the all-time high, there's going to be resistance there. Let's just be realistic. There's going to be resistance there. So, use that time to maybe take your initials from here, because that is a 2x from here. Use that time to maybe take your initials and then let the rest ride. Let the moon bag do its thing, right? Because you don't want to be the person that overinvests and then something goes wrong. You never want to be that person. You want to play it strategically as possible. But I do truly think, you know, 1 billion market cap for Russell is very possible. Like I said, I've mentioned Toshi in previous videos. Toshi, Brian Armstrong's cat, went to 1 billion market cap. I know market conditions were different, But people are still looking for Toshi to go to 10 billion market cap from here. And I think it's at 100 mil market cap right now, 100 to 200 mil. And they're looking for it to go to 10 billion next, right? So you can't just say, oh, market conditions are different, so Russell can't get to a billion. If the market conditions get better, if the market conditions are bad, you're not going to see Toshi move up. The market conditions have to get better overall for all projects to move up, right? And in that time frame, if people truly believe in Toshi, which they do, they really truly believe in to go to 10 bill market cap, there's a possibility that's going to be the time when the market overall is bullish again. More likely than not, that's going to be the case. And that's going to be the time when Russell also makes massive moves as well, right? Both projects can win. Both projects could be successful, because that's what I want to see. It helps the base ecosystem overall. And that's what we want to see, man. We want to see the base ecosystem be successful overall. So this was my Russell update for you guys. Again, super amazing that we're holding above 7.5, especially in these conditions that we're in. Next move up, man, just hold long term for Russell. Just hold long term. You see, just like you hold Toshi, just like you hold your other projects, hold it long term. Give it 5 months, 6 months. You could potentially see $1 billion Russell from here, right? As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Like the video. I'll catch you in the next one.